In my example, I'm looking at my headphones, static mesh, and within that actor I have 4 other cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if we come to the main window and simulate, you'll see that each of these cubes has their physics enabled and will drop onto the headphones, but it's only the blue one that registers a hit event. Nothing, 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 and then hit blue in the top left hand corner. It drops off. So how have we filtered out the hit event? Coming into our actor, it's a slightly odd example, but the point of the example is that we are using a cast. We're using a cast to static mesh component, in this case, coming out of the other component pin in the on component hit headphones. So with headphones selected, it's that first one, on component hit. Now the things that need to also be enabled for that to register is that on collision you need to have simulate generates hit events on. Now I've got that turned on only on the headphones. It's not on any of the cubes, as you can see as I click through. Now, taking the other component and putting that reference against the cast of, is this thing that's hit a static mesh component? And because we're in the same actor, in this case it is. But with that information I can then query it and say, is it equal to, so just coming here and pressing double equals, you get an operator of equals, and then I just dragged in my static mesh, and if that condition is true, then I'm just saying hit blue. So we can obviously extend that idea. And the reason that I promoted it to a variable here, it was so I could access it here. So now I am ignoring drop cube 3, which is the yellow one. So the yellow one won't do anything, but the other 3 will. So that is, let's have a look and see what that's called. I can't remember. Hit concrete, hit steel, hit blue, but the yellow one won't do anything. Concrete, steel, nothing, blue. Concrete, steel, nothing, blue. So the yellow one didn't register a hit. So by using that cast to a static mesh component, we are creating a filter. So the purpose of this video was just to show you the concept of filtering through casting. And the scenario of components within an actor having physics enabled and some others is a bit odd, but not to say that it can't happen or shouldn't happen. But I'll continue to do a few examples of how casting can be used in different ways. So I hope that video is of use. If so, please do like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive any updates. And thank you for your support.